Okay, then first thing is that let's talk about the details about your course. Okay, here it is. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first thing is that your course code is Physics 111, and course name is Introduction to Physics 1. Sorry, Principle of Physics 1. Okay. And I am the instructor of mainly section 7. Your section is section 7, and my name is Mohammed Mehdi Hassan. My initial is ASSN. Okay. Then first thing is that the lecture videos. So mainly all of the materials or particularly assessment or quizzes will be taken or will be given in BUX. Okay, so you can contact with me in Slack, but the all of the materials or particularly assessment, say assignment, quiz or any exam will be given in BUX. Okay, so first material is in Vuex, the video lectures. Okay, then all of the materials will be delivered in that process. Okay, in case of video lecture. So in case of every week, okay, please mute yourself. Someone is unmuted. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So uh, first thing is that in case of video lectures, we will give you 1 week material per week. Okay, so in case of 1 week there will be two lecture. Okay, and each of the lecture will be divided into small video segments. There will be three to six, mainly 4 to 6, sometimes it will be 3 to 4. Okay, so then in case of 1 week there will be 8 to say 10 segments of the videos, and in that case the duration will be say 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Okay, so these are the mainly lecture videos. Okay, and after each of the segments there will be short quizzes, say 1 or 2 MCQ questions. So these are called pop quizzes. Okay, okay, so these are the mainly details about the video lectures. So you can download the videos from Vuex, and options are given in Vuex, and also the video lectures will be given weekly basis. Okay, sometimes it will be given bi-weekly basis. Okay, but we will try to follow the week by week. Okay, okay, already one first week is given. Okay, and I think I will prefer you to complete the pop quizzes during the watching the videos. Okay, and you will get 7 days to complete the watching videos and also complete the pop quizzes. Okay, then next part is tutorial problem sets. It will be given after the video lectures, and it's basically problem solving, something like that. Okay, so depending on the topics covered by lecture videos. Okay, so there will be 3 or 4 problems. Okay, and it will be related to the topics covered by the video lectures. Okay, okay, I think it will be helpful to you to mainly to know the process. How can we solve the mainly problems? Okay, okay, and next part, Bangla content videos. It's basically the summary of the English version. Okay, then pop quizzes. So a quiz is divided into two parts. First is pop quiz, and second is participatory quiz. Okay, sorry, first is pop quiz, another is graded quiz. So participatory quiz is called mainly pop quizzes. So it's are basically quizzes after the each of the video segments. Okay, so throughout the semester you have to give say 50 to 52 or 56 mainly pop quizzes. Okay, so it's a basically participatory type something. Okay, if you participate it, then you will get marks. Okay, And in case of participation, I'll see the mainly percentage of the participation in case of pop quizzes. And also the thing is that in case of pop quizzes, there will be three attempts. Okay, and if the options are given four or five, I think three attempts is more enough to answer the pop quizzes. Okay, you'll get three or two attempts to answer the pop quiz. And in case of pop quizzes, no need to answer the correct answer, because I will consider the participation only. Okay, so if you participate 100%, then you will get full marks. Okay, in case of participatory quiz. And another thing is that according to the team decision, because this course is not single section course. Okay, so according to the team decision, you have to mainly complete the green tick marks. Basically, if you complete the watching the videos, then there will be green tick marks after in case of each of the segments. Okay, so if you complete the this part and also participatory quiz, then you will get full marks in participation, something like that. It's 10% mark. Okay. Okay, and in case of participatory quiz, you'll get 7 days to complete. Say for each week there will be say 7 to 8 participatory quizzes. Okay, I think if you give 10 minutes to 15 minutes to answer the participatory quizzes, it's enough to answer the quizzes. Okay, so there will be no extension of the pop quizzes, because it's not a single section course. If team will not decide to extend the time, then I cannot do that. Okay, so this is the main thing about the participatory quizzes. Do you have any question regarding this participatory quizzes? Okay, did anyone attend this part participatory quizzes in case of week one?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's
I have done first two quizzes, but there were
okay.
six attempts. I've done it right in the first attempt, so I didn't go for the
Okay,
second attempts. It's okay.
yes. Okay, okay. So if you just mainly just participate in the quizzes, then you will get marks. Okay, so don't worry about that things. Okay, so but you have to participate it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
okay, okay. I think it will take say 13 seconds to 20 seconds for each of the mainly question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go to the next part, graded quiz. So in case of graded quiz, throughout the semester, we will take 5 graded quizzes. Okay, it will be given bi-weekly basis. For example, if 2 weeks is completed, 2 weeks materials is completed, then after these 2 weeks, we will introduce a quiz, which is timed quiz. There will be 5 to 8 MCQ questions, and you will get 30 to 40 minutes to complete the quizzes. Okay, and in case of graded quiz, I will if possible I will count n minus 1. Okay, if five if we will take 5, then 4 best 4, or for if we'll take 4, then we'll consider best 3. Okay, if possible. Okay, because all of the decision will be taken in case of yeah, a team. Okay, so these are the main thing about the graded quiz. Do you have any question about graded quiz?
So I couldn't
Pardon?
understand.
Okay,
How oh,
okay,
what
so
will
say
be
say
the
yes,
best?
uh,
How many?
say say uh, uh, the graded quiz, there will be 5 graded quizzes. It's a
Okay.
time quiz. Okay,
Okay.
and there will be 5 to 6 MCQ questions in terms of Google format.
Okay.
You will get 30 to 40 minutes to complete the graded quiz. Okay,
So best three will be selected or four?
in case of 5, west 4 if possible. Okay,
Okay.
in
Okay.
case of 4, west 3. Okay,
Okay. Thanks.
okay,
The thing is, sir, like you said MCQ.
yes,
The
MCQ
previous.
question.
Okay, okay. So
Similar to
there
the
will
pop
be no.
quizzes, similar to the pop quizzes, questions are similar to the pop quizzes, but the question mainly exam pattern or a process exam process will be similar to mainly like Google form format.
So there will be no like written exam, right?
And it's not written exam. In case of MCQ, just options will be given. Just you have to select the options. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So these are the mainly graded quiz, and 10% marks will carry in case of graded quiz. So grade quiz 10 and participation 10. So mainly in case of quizzes, 20% mark. Okay. So these are the all about the quizzes, and these quizzes formats mainly quizzes formats is mainly like MCQ type. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the next part, which is live classes. So live classes are not mandatory, but I think maybe university will allocate some marks in case of live classes. The decision is not taken, but maybe if the decision will take, then I will inform you. Okay. So in that case, your class time is 8 a.m. to 9:20 Monday, Wednesday, and the class link is given in Vuex and also in Slack channel. Okay, so this link will remain same throughout the semester. Okay, and in case of live classes, I will try to first discuss the topics mainly in BUX, which are mainly lecture videos in BUX. I will try to briefly discuss these topics in case of weekly basis. Then I will show you some problems, and finally I will take questions from you. Okay. So in that case, I think if you complete to watch the videos in Vuex, then it will be helpful for you to mainly ask me some questions, and also also the basic ideas about the mainly topics covered in lecture videos. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So another thing is that all of the live classes will be recorded, and I will give you the link, mainly video link of the class live classes in BUX. Not sorry, not BUX, in Slack. Okay, in Slack section 7 channel. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then textbook. I will upload these textbooks, 9th edition and 10th edition, which is basically History of Physics. Sorry, G- particular books whose book is mainly not mentioned here, but I will upload the PDF file of the book in Slack channel. Okay, just wait for it. Then assignment will be taken bi-weekly basis. Okay, and the format will be Google form. Say say 2 weeks is completed, then after 2 weeks we'll give you some problem sets, maybe 2 or 3 problem sets, and you will get 5 to 7 days to complete this assignment. Okay, and in case of assignments, you have to mainly solve the assignments in paper with pen, and after completing you have to take the picture and you have to convert it into PDF. So mainly you have to submit the PDF of your work. Okay, in case of assignment. Okay, and you will get 5 to 7 days to complete the assignment, and throughout the semester we will take 5 assignments, and we'll count n-1. Okay, now do you have any question regarding this assignment? All of the
No, sir.
Yes, all of the assignment will be given in Google form format, and also problem solving, something like that. Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Then course viva, and assignment will contain 20% mark of total mark. Okay. Then course
Okay, sir.
viva. In case of course viva, I will take first viva after midterm exam, okay, the topics will be announced before viva, mainly up to the midterm exam. And if possible, I will take a makeup viva for uh, not everyone. Okay, so mainly I will take first viva after midterm exam, and if possible, a makeup viva in case of before final. Okay, and viva will contain 10% mark, and the exam mainly question pattern will be a short question, MCQ type question, conceptual question. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then
Okay, sir.
in case of lab, so I think you have questions from lab, so there will be no live lab classes. Okay, so the schedule is given for offline something like that. Okay, in case of offline case, there will be lab class, but in case of online, all of the materials about lab will be given in bux. Okay, say the instruction how to solve the mainly lab, or how to submit it, will be given in bux. So maybe it's simulation type something. There will be a software which is called fat. Okay, we have to do the labs in this software which is called fat. Say in case of vectors, some problems will be given to draw the vectors or find out the length of the vector, something like that. So you have to do it in fat, and you have to submit the mainly your work, say the data in case of in terms of table, or you have to, sorry, you have to just show the graphs. Okay, and also similar to the submission will be similar to the assignment. Okay, you have to submit it in google format. Okay, and lab will carry 10% mark. Okay, so I'm saying that there will be no live lab classes. Okay, all of the materials will be given in bux, and there is a separate channel in slack for lab. It uh, did it create or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's
Okay,
correct.
so if it will be taken by lab faculties. Okay, they will mainly give you everything, or you can ask them the questions in that channel. Okay, so this part is anyone have any question regarding lab?
Sir, do we need to install any kind of app for the lab or any other?
I think fat is online basis software or something like that. So uh,
Okay,
I think no need to install this thing. You can do it in
online.
online. Yes.
Okay,
So I have no idea about the fat. Okay.
okay, okay, sir. Sure.
Okay. Okay. So let's go to the next part. In case of midterm and final, question pattern will be similar to the assignment, problem solving, something like that. There will be two or three sets of problems, but in case of midterm and final, you will get 2 hours to complete the uh, mainly midterm and final exam. Okay, not mainly exam, it's basically assessment. Yeah, two or three sets of problem will be given. You'll get 2 hours to complete it. Okay, and you have to submit it through the google format. Okay, uh, and midterm will carry 20%, and final will carry 20%. So anyone have any question about midterm and final?
Sir,
Sir,
when our midterm and final will happen?
Okay, it will be announced before midterm, but it will be taken within the midterm week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
sir, is there any discussion class will be available? Like, if we have some problem and you have to solve the problem.
Okay, in that case, you can contact with me in Slack. You can give me direct message, or you can write down in your section channel, or also in problems solving some say channel also.
Okay, sir.
There will be no live something live class for mainly some problem solving.
Sir, will we get
You
any
can
any
you can
document?
yes. Sorry.
Sir, will we get any document regarding like exam, midterm exam and final exam, like before midterm exam and final exam, like question pattern or something to
Uh,
like practice?
I will try to give you the sample questions in your respective channel Slack channel too. Okay, just
Okay,
inform
okay,
me before the exam. Okay, I will try to give you the sample problem. Okay,
okay.
sample
That would be
question.
very helpful, sir.
Okay. So now marks distribution, participation 10% and course by 10, graded quiz 10, assignments 20, lab 10, midterm 20, and final assessment 20. Okay, and finally, discussion forum. It's important because the thing is that you can ask me questions or all of the announcement about the deadline of the pop quizzes or the date of the uh, schedule of the exam, or particularly the date of the time quiz of particularly another thing will be announced in case in Slack channel. Okay, because it's not possible to mainly give the main announcement in Slack in Bux. Okay, so all of the announcement and also the recording videos, and also you can ask me questions in Slack. Okay, so this part is important, this Slack. Okay, so you have to join this Slack. Now last part, honor code. This part is important because in case of online semester, you have to follow the rules and regulations of the BRAC university. Okay, so so you have to follow this part, honor code. Okay, so then next is mainly course outline, and also some suggested point problems. So in case of course outline, the thing is that we will start from vector. So this is the lecture plan. We'll start from the vector, then some Newtonian mechanics, say motion in one dimensional case, then Newton's law of motion, uniform circular motion, and momentum, collision, and kinetic energy, work done, potential energy. So all of the things are about Newtonian mechanics. And finally, we'll end with mainly some simple harmonic motion. And so these are the all about of course simple harmonic motion is the final thing, and it's all about vectors, Newtonian mechanics, and simple harmonic motion, and waves and oscillations. Okay, so these are the mainly suggested point problems, and it's the 10th edition of the book. Okay, and the writer is Leslie Khalid and Walker. So here CP, that means checkpoints, as MCQ type questions like that, checkpoints. And sample problem is mainly problems solution is given in that case, but problems are mainly 5, 15, 18, 20. These are the mainly problems. You have to mainly solve these problems related to our topics. Okay, so which are mainly related to our topics, you can solve this. Okay, this will be helpful for you. Okay, then next, uh, this is the mark distribution, and here is the
Sir, why will I get the books?
I will give you the PDF file. Okay, just wait for it. Okay, so here is the mainly link to join the Slack workspace. Okay, so you can join Slack through this link. Okay, then here's the link to join the live classes. So this your section 7, section 7,
Mhm.
and this link will remain same throughout the semester. Okay.
Sir, is there any link for the Google Calendar for our section 7?
Okay, so Google Calendar is given here. Not
Um,
for section
is
7.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's formed. I saw it.
Google Calendar is given, but for particular section it's not given. all of the informations will be given in Google Calendar about our section, and also in case of other section also. Uh,
Yes, sir, but I want to turn my alarm in the definite hours of section 7, not the other one.
okay, okay. Then I think you have to do it by yourself. There is no separate calendar for section.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, I will we will try to update this calendar frequently, so that the deadline, you can see the deadlines or particularly schedules of the exams also here. Okay, you can follow that this calendar. Okay, so these are the video lectures. Okay, today I'm not going to discuss this part. So these are all about mainly your course details, and I think if you follow my instructions, and also follow the materials in VUX, then you will do well in this course. Okay, then don't worry about the GPA. Okay, you have to follow the mainly VUX, and also the instruction. Okay. Now, do you have any question?
I think
Sir,
not, sir.
uh,
Okay.
sir, hello, sir.
Yes. Yes, Farhan.
Can I get a separate Google Calendar for us only? If you can create one,
So
Okay.
that is helpful.
that
Okay.
will be
Then.
helpful for all of
Okay.
us.
Then I will try to do that. If I will announce. I will inform you about that in Slack link.
Uh,
Okay.
yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, I heard that like due to the online process, the pattern of question that we will get in final and midterm, those are a little bit hard other
Uh.
than like offline question. So is that
Yes.
really true?
Yes, the thing is that mainly in case of the online thing, it's like an open book exam. Okay, so
Okay.
you can just find out the formulas, or particularly the process easily. So that's why maybe the question will be a little bit harder if you compare with the offline. Okay, but
Okay.
I think it's fair enough. It's not so difficult that you can't just understand, or you can't solve that.
So if I go through all the videos and everything, I would be able to at least answer them,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Okay.
yes. And another thing is that if you are not mainly able to answer the whole thing, so you have to show me the process. Okay, because the marks for any questions are not something like that. Say if 10 marks is given for one question, you will get 10 marks or zero. Okay, so
Okay.
there are some different marks for process, and also formulas and informations. Okay,
Okay,
so,
sir. Sure.
so separate marks are mainly allocated for different parts. Say if you write down the formulas, then you will get particular marks. If you show
Okay.
me the process, then you will get a particular mark. If you give the units and the process is correct, and also answer is correct, then you will get particular mark. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
these are the different things. Okay, so if the question is not mainly common to you, but if the process is known, then you have to show me the process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think if you follow the mainly all of the details, then question will be easier. No problem.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other question?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
If it's an open book exam, then I think I will be able to do see the stuffs like if I have given a particular question.
Mm-hmm.
If while answering the question, I can use the resources, open resources that are available in
Yes. You,
on the
you can
internet and all of that.
you can use online or offline resources, but you are not allowed to take help from your friends or others. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you
Thank
can
you.
take help from books, or particularly online. Okay.
Okay, I'm clear, sir. Thank you.
Uh, any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, so if there is no question, then we can end our session. And the thing is that if you face any difficulties or if you have any questions in any time,